Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue the multiplication. Okay, using tables for multiplication. Using tables for multiplication. So now look here. One is birthday. Chintu bought 6 pen at rupees 5 per pen. How much must be pay? He pay the shopkeeper for them. Now see here, to find out the total cost, we must say the 5 times table up to 5 6. Okay. Now look here. 5 6 are, how many student? 5 6 are 30. That is 5 multiplied by 6, what we get? 30. So Chintu must pay rupees 30 altogether. म्हणजे काय बघा, 6 multiplied by 5, 6 pen. How many altogether pens are there? 6. Then cost of 1 pen. Cost of 1 pen. 1 pen for how many? 5 rupees. So 5 multiplied by 6 म्हणजे 6 पेन आणलं की एक पेन 5 रुपीज प्लस 6 पेन आलं किती? हाऊ मेनी कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 पेन? So the total cost is 30. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. So Chintu must pay rupees 30 altogether. Okay. To find the total cost, we must pay the 5 times table up to 5. So Chintu bought 6 pen at rupees 5. एका पेनाची किंमत आहे 5 रुपये. तर 6 पेनाला किती द्यायला लागणार त्याला? 30 रुपीज. ओके. देन how many trees in 5 rows, and if there are 8 trees in 1 rows? Okay, look here. 5, what they told, how many trees in 5 rows? 5 rows. 5 rows. And if there are trees in 1 row, in 1 row how many? Tree in each row. Tree in each row means multiply by 8. 5 multiplied by 8, what we get? 40. So see here, how many trees in 5 rows, and if there are 8 trees in 1 row, rows 5, tree in each row. Tree in each row. Each row मध्ये किती आहेत? trees किती आहेत? 8. Operation multiplication. We shall use the 8 time table. 8 time table. You multiply by 8 by 5 or 5 multiply by 8. It is the same. So 8 5s are, how many student? 8 5s are 40. Okay. So the 5 multiplied by 8. 8 5s are 40. So the total number of trees. Total number of trees किती आहे? 40. किती आहेत? 40. So the total tree is 40. Okay student. Now look here. If 9 laddus can be put in one box, if 9 laddus can be put in one box, how many can be put in 7 such boxes? Okay, what they told here? 7 boxes. 7 किती boxes आहेत? 7 box. How many can be put in 7 boxes? 7 boxes आहेत. And how many laddus can be put in one box? 9. 9 laddus in one box. एक बॉक्स कितीचा होता तो? 9 लड्डूचा. So 9 7s are 63. So total number of laddus किती आहेत? 63. So look here. We shall say the 9 times table. 9 7s are 63. Okay. It is very easy student while solving. If this type of problems came, you have to write this way. 7 boxes. नुसतं 7 multiply by 963 केलं मार्क मिळणार नाही. You have to write this. Means what? If 9 laddus can be put in one box, 9 laddus, and how many can be put in 7 such boxes? So किती boxes आहेत? 7. आणि 9 laddus in each boxes. So 7 multiplied by 9. So the total number of laddus is how many? 63. Understood student? Then 7 days in 1 week. आठवड्याचा वार किती असतात? 7. So how many days in a 4 weeks? How many days in a 4 weeks? म्हणजे बघा इथं 4 weeks. किती? 4 weeks. How many days in 4 weeks? Multiply by 7 days in a week. 7 days in 1 week. 7 days in 1 week. Okay. So 7 multiplied by 4 किती होता? 28. So the total days is 28. Total days is 28. Okay. Then say the 7 times table. 7 4s are 28. आठवड्याचा वार 7 आहे ना. टोटल 4 वीक्स. टोटल 4 वीक. महिन्याचे 4 किती आठवडे असतात? किती असतात? तुम्ही सांगायचं स्टुडंट मला किती असतात? 4. सो 7 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 4 किती झालं? 28. देन 8 tiles in 1 row and how many in 3 rows? 8 tiles. Okay, 8 tiles in a row, in 1 row and how many in 3 rows? Okay, 8 tiles म्हणजे 8 लिहायचं आणि tiles in a row, 8 tiles in a row आणि how many rows are there? 3 rows are there. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 8 we get total number of tiles. Total number of tiles is 24. आणि इथं काय सांगितलं? इथं काय सांगितलं बघा? 3 rows उलटं केलं त्यांच्यानी. 3 rows and 8 tiles in a row. 8 tiles in a row म्हणजे काय? 8 3 जा 24. So total number of tile is same. दोन्ही बाजूनं असं केलं की it is the same way. Now look here. 1 guava cost ₹6. How much money will be needed to buy 1 guava for each of the 4 friends? Tony, Sonu, Nandu and Salma. 1 guava. Guava म्हणजे काय? पेरू. Okay. Then look here. 1 guava cost ₹6. So cost of 1 guava is ₹6. एक पेरू 6 रुपयाला. Okay. So how much money will be needed to buy 1 guava for each of the 4 friends? 4 फ्रेंड्स आहेत. 4 फ्रेंड्ससाठी किती लागणार? सो 6 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 4 what we get? ₹24. So the number of children, so there are 4 number of children, so ₹24 in all. ₹24. 6 रुपयाला एक पेरू पडला तर 4 जणांना किती द्यायला लागणार? 24. Okay. Now look here, it is a more extra question. Some of them they are not having a reliable book, so I'm directly showing this because it is in Zoom app. The time limit is very few, so I'm explaining in this way so that you can see it properly. This I just now explain you. 6 teams, 9 players in each team. लक्ष द्या, एक्झामला असे प्रॉब्लेम येतात. 6 teams, 9 player in each team. Okay, so there are how many players altogether? Look here, 6 teams. काय म्हटले? 6 teams. And then how many players are there? 9 players. 9 players. तुम्ही इथं लिहायचं आहे 9 players. And how many totals? So total 9 6 are 54. Total is 54 players. So there are 54 players in 6 teams. 6 teamमध्ये किती players आहेत? 54 players. There are 54 players in 6 teams. You had those who have buy the reliable book, you have to write this way. Okay, and those who have not buy, they should write all this thing in your notebook. Then 8 crates, 6 mangoes in 1 crate. Okay, 8 crates and 6 mangoes. Then 6 multiplied by 8, how many student? 48. So the total mangoes, how many? Total 48 total mangoes are there. There are 48 mangoes in 8 crates. There are 48 mangoes. Just we have to multiply it. Then if 1 orange costs ₹9, what is the cost of 8 orange? If 1 orange म्हणजे एक ऑरेंज मी मागवलं तर एक ऑरेंज कितीला सांगितलं त्यांनी? ₹9. What is the cost of 8 oranges? So look here, 8 oranges and ₹9. 9 किती? 9 1 oranges cost how many? ₹9. Okay, so 9 8s are 72. So total number of oranges how many? 72. So the cost of 8 oranges is 72 is the cost of 8 oranges. Means there are 72 rupees for 8 oranges. Okay, there are 70 rupees of 8 oranges. Okay, of 8 oranges. Understood? Now look here, I'm just showing this because some of them they means what they had given. See the properties of multiplication. They had given her tables. 6 8s are tables, 6 tables, 9 tables. So you have to write this way the tables. So the mixed number they had given. Look here, 6 7 जा 56, 4 8 जा 32, 7 6 जा 42, 2 9 जा 18, 9 7 जा 63, 5 6 जा 30, 3 9 जा mixed tables are there. Okay, so you have to know the table, student. The same way also is there. Okay, now look here, open your textbook. Now look here, in your textbook only I am going to show, you can see properly. So you look here, properties of multiplications. So how many it is given here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, means 3 5s are 15, this all together. In this circle how many these are there? See, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 10 झालं, plus 1 2 3 4 5, altogether how many student? 15. So 5 into 3 is equal to 5 into 3. 3 into 5 is equal to 5 into 3. This is a property of multiplications. So 3 into 5, if you multiply by 3 into 5, what we get? 15. And also if you multiply 5 into 3, how many we get? 15 only. Okay. Now carry out the following multiplication and observe, student. So you should tell me now. 6 5s are 30. 5 6s are 30. Both are same. Then again 8 3s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 7 6s are 42. 6 7s are 42. 9 2s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Now look here. The product of the two numbers remain the same even if their order is changed. Okay. Now look here, for example, 6 5 is equal to 5 into 6. Okay, means 6. Then 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 8. Again what they told, 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by 7. 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 9. Okay. Now look here. The multiplicative property of 0. Okay. So if you return 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the same as 2 multiplied by 4. म्हणजे 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus केला आपल्याला किती मिळतात? 8. And if you multiply by 2 into directly 4, what we get? 8. 4 multiplied by 2 also we get 8. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is the same as 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. Okay. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is the same. So 0 multiplied by 4, how many will get? 0 only. And 4 multiplied by 0, how many will get? 0. Then look here. When we multiply 0 by any number, or when we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0. So 0 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 only. The answer will be a 0 only. Carry out the following multiplication. Okay. Carry out the following multiplication. Student, you just tell me. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to dash is equal to 4 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 4. 2 4s are how many, student? 8. And 4 multiplied by 2, the answer is the same. दोन्ही answer same as I. Then 7 multiplied by 0 is 0 and 0 multiplied by 7 is 0 only. Then look here. 7 3s are 21. 3 7s are 21. Then 8 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 and 0 multiplied by 8 is equal to 0. Whenever the product you multiply by the 0, the product is always, when the multiply by one number by 0, the product will be is always 0. Okay, student. Then look here, multiplicand, multiply and product. So look here, 6 multiplicand and 5 multiply and 30 product. 6 5s are 30. 6 का आहे मल्टिप्लिकंट म्हणायचं, 5ला multiplier and answer 30 is the product. Okay. Then see here, in the multiplication 6 multiplied by 5, we multiply the first number 6. It is a multiplicand. And we multiply by the second number 5. It is a multiplier. The answer is 30 and it is known as the product. Answerला काय म्हणतात? Product म्हणतात. So similarly in the multiplication 5 into 6 and 5 is a multiplicand, 6 is a multiplier and 30 is the product. Okay, student. So this you have to solve in your notebook. Okay, student. Now look here. It is given an extra work, write the product. It is given a one product. So look here. What they had given here? Write the product. They had given a 3. इथं 3 दिले, इथं 9 दिले. म्हणजे तुम्ही काय करायचं, लक्ष द्या इकडं. 3 9s are 27, 3 5s are 15. You have to multiply. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. It is a table of 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. Okay, same way what they had given here? 5. They had given you 5 tables. So you have to write your 5 tables. It is yes here. 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20, 5 10s are 50, 5 9s are 45. Okay, student. Then again see here. They had given here 4 tables. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28, 4 9s are 36, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are 32. Okay, then again which table they had given? 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Okay, you should know the table. You should see which table it is given middle and which number is there, and then only you have to multiply with this, and then only you have to write 8 2 8s are is equal to 16. So you have to write your answer. Okay, then again look here, write the proper number in the box. Write the proper number in the box. 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to dash 7 multiplied by 3. Okay, then 4 multiplied by kai narita dash delay is equal to 2 multiplied by 4. So we will get here 2 only. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. Okay, 5 multiplied by 0, just now I told you 5 multiplied by 0, what we will get? 0. 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 only. Now then what date given here? 9 multiplied by 2 into 9. 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 9. It is the same. Then 8. Look here. 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 8. 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9. 0 multiplied by 4 is equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 only. Now again see here. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 into 6. 1 multiplied by 9 is equal to 1 multiplied by 9 is 9. 7 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 6 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So student, you have to solve this in your notebook. I have shown you this extra thing because these types of problems it's coming for the exam. So you have to solve it in your notebooks. Okay student, thank you.